Namaskar. Welcome to IMD Daily Weather Briefing. So here we are discussing about the weather realized during the past 24 hours and weather forecast for the next, showing the weather forecast for the next 5 days. So yesterday, significant amount of rainfall is reported over the Car Nicobar, 8 centimeter in the Nicobar Islands. And no other place a significant amount of rainfall is reported. And here we can see the satellite imagery which show the cloud cover and major synoptic systems prevailing over the region. Here we can see a low pressure area over Southeast Bay of Bengal, and associated with that one we can see a cloud also. And again Jammu Kashmir, that region also we can see the cloud, and a westerly trough can be seen in the 70° east and 30° north, which is prominent in the 500 HPA, and two cyclonic circulation, one over Marathwada region and one over North Odisha coast, can be seen in the lower levels. And for further advancement point of this low pressure area and western disturbance is we are discussing in the subsequent slides. So these are the major highlights of the weather forecast. So associated with that low pressure area that we have seen in the Southeast Bay of Bengal, heavy to very heavy rainfall activity forecasted over Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karaikal on 4th and 5th March. And associated with that western disturbance, a wet spell is forecasted over western Himalayan region and adjoining plains till 3rd March. Another fresh western wet spell is forecasted during 5th to 8th March. So these are the forecast and warnings. So here we can see that a low pressure area that we have seen over the Southeast Bay of Bengal, it is likely to become well marked, and it will move northwestwards towards Sri Lanka coast during next 3 days. And under the influence of this system, fairly widespread and light moderate rainfall with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds, very likely over Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And today, and isolated heavy rainfall also very likely over Nicobar Islands today. And scattered to fairly widespread thunderstorm lightning activity very likely over Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karaikal during 3rd to 5th March, and over south coastal Andhra Pradesh on 4th and 5th March, and over Rayalaseema on 5th March. And isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall likely over Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karaikal on 4th and 5th March, and isolated heavy rainfall is very likely over south coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema on 5th March. And warning to the fishermen, squally winds, that wind speed of the 40 to 50 km per hour gusting to 60 km per hour is very likely over the South Andaman Sea, South Bay of Bengal and Gulf of Mannar on 1st March. 2nd March, squally winds forecast over South Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mannar and Comorin area. 3rd March, squally winds forecasted over the Southwest Bay of Bengal and Gulf of Mannar. And 4th March, squally winds forecasted over Southwest Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mannar, and along and off Tamil Nadu and South coastal Andhra Pradesh coast. And 5th March, squally winds forecasted over Southwest Bay of Bengal and along and off North Tamil Nadu, South coastal Andhra Pradesh coast. Fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas. And also we have seen a westerly trough in the middle and upper troposphere in longitude 70° and latitude 30°. And tomorrow onwards, a fresh western disturbance likely to affect the northwest India. And under the influence of this western disturbance, widespread light rainfall and snowfall forecast over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh, and isolated light rainfall snowfall over Uttarakhand, 1st to 3rd March, and isolated light rainfall forecasted over Punjab during 1st to 3rd March, and over Rajasthan on 2nd March, and over Haryana, Chandigarh on 2nd and 3rd March. Strong surface winds are very likely to prevail over East Rajasthan on 3rd and 4th March, and over most part of the plains of Northwest India on 5th March. And another fresh western disturbance is likely to influence Northwest India from 5th March. And also due to other influence of this western disturbance, scattered to fairly widespread and a light moderate rainfall snowfall forecasted over western Himalayan region during 5th to 7th March, and isolated light rainfall forecasted over light rainfall over adjoining plains of Northwest India forecasted on 7th and 8th March. The weather warning for the next 5 days. So today thunderstorm warning is issued over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh region, and Orissa, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand region. Tomorrow thunderstorm warning is issued over the Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab region, and 3rd March thunderstorm warning is issued over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Haryana, some part of Rajasthan, and 4th March thunderstorm warning is issued Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and heavy rainfall warning is also issued over Tamil Nadu. And 5th March thunderstorm warning is issued over Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh, and heavy rainfall warning is issued on over Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema. Thank you everyone, and tomorrow also we will be coming with a daily weather briefing.